Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Peridot Poison drag marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the drag marble today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Ivy League as my base color, and then I'll be dragging through it with Peridon't Bother Me, as well as playing with Sapphire. After the first coat is mostly dry, I'm going to move on to the drag marbling. I have a small lid here. I'm going to go ahead and get out some of the Peridot and the Sapphire. Then I'm going to apply a thick second coat of Ivy League and drag both those colors through. I did a little bit of cleanup, and now I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Sèche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how these turned out. I wanted to do another manicure using some of the colors from the Gemstone collection, and I did quite a bit of testing before settling on this design. The base color is from the Dark Academia, and these are all shimmers and sparkly, so I do want to give you some flashlight time, even though that does make the design a bit harder to see. But if you'd like to see the extended tutorial along with all that extra testing, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at You can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.